We all know in the modern day making friends is incredibly hard, so why don't we create our own? That's right guys, Steph has only gone ahead and got us the colour and style friend set from our friends at Crayola. Now this is from Amazon Returns, so that's going to mean it's a little bit crusty, a little bit broken, but everything should be there to make at least 2 friends.
A bargain price.
True! That's it, yeah! Oh my god, we love cheap friends. We've got, I think, Rain and Bo, which, doesn't that mean like rain and sun? Rain and sun? Colour and style us again. Ooh, we got an outfit. We can draw on their faces. There isn't really much else in terms of instructions. It's basically like, get us out and draw on our faces. So, there's a hairbrush. Do they have hair? Because they're... Can you see? They're bald. Let's open it up and see. I need to get to the bottom of this. Oh, it's, the smell of plastic is just blasted in my face. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, you know what? That's actually quite cute. They're all like cut out properly as well. Let's bust them open. Oh, interesting. The markers are Crayola branded, obviously. They're the dry erase type, but they are very tiny. There's a hairbrush. Very, very cute. Do you want Rain or Bow? Oh, I just realized it's Rainbow. Of course, that's why they're called that.
Why did that take you so long?
Because I am not bright. Well, I'll get them both out for Steph to have a quick look at. And while we do that, we'll have a look at these markers that we've got here. We have got bright blue, a red, a violet blue, orange, very nice, black. Oh, I might do a gothic one. That'd be really cool. Okay, my colour blindness is struggling with this one. I can't actually read anything.
It's a yellow.
Guys, can you read what the text is just there? And this one must be green then. Yes, it is, and a green. Very nice.
This one is yours.
Which one is it?
I think she's got the prettier hair, but she's got green shoes, and I can't live with that.
Oh, honey, no. Oh, yours is way cuter than mine.
But I feel like the hair's not as cute as yours.
I don't know if you guys can... Her face has been treated like she has she has like a dewy glow, and that's because obviously the dry erase markers need to take to it. So she has a shiny face, but hey, we all have shiny faces.
I know you wanted to do this with the original Crayola markers.
As
intended.
Yes, I'll do it as intended if you want me to. Yeah, I'll only use what comes in the kit. If you like.
If it ends up going terribly, we do have acrylic markers in the house that we could
use. Yeah, but
that's what we did on the unicorn.
True, but I think we should give the set a chance with just the stuff that it comes with, because I think that's fair, right? And then if it doesn't do very good, we can use some. Yeah, mine comes with a little hoodie, and you pull them apart. These are also in the same material as the face, so you can draw like on these as well, which is quite cute.
I thought the clothes were going to be rubbery, you know, like the old
Same, yes, yeah, I thought so as well. Don't you like? Rain and Bo, don't you have trousers? I mean, you go commando if you want. It's summertime, why not? But yeah, it seems weird that they would give you a top, but like no, like Steph says, like the rubbery stuff or anything like that, just for the bottoms. I guess you could draw some on, I guess.
What I'm thinking's happened is that they want to keep like the mobility of the doll, so if they'd made like a dress...
The mobility of the doll! Have you tried moving the arms in this? It's like welded battle armour. You can't...
I mean, you can maybe like sit down.
Well, you can make them sit. Yeah, you can make them sit, but like, she's got to hulk out if she wants to move her arms. On this box here, they've clearly drawn on their faces, the clothes, but also the hair. And I would like to try having a go at drawing on the hair. Maybe giving them some highlights or something. Rain's going through her goth era. She's gone through a messy breakup. She's feeling down.
She's going through a breakup?
Yeah. Her normal, like, bright personality has been replaced with lament and melancholy.
Okay, so I'm guessing canon in this universe, they're like 20s or something.
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah, she's an independent woman. She works for herself. She pays her rent and her bills, yeah.
This is Adam's law.
This is my law, yeah. Honey, melancholy knows no age. Welcome to the operating table, Rain. I'm going to give you some black lipstick first, just to see how this goes on. As you guys are all aware, Crayola are water-based markers. Unless stated otherwise, because I heard a rumour that they might be making alcohol markers at some point, but I haven't seen any yet. But rest assured, if they do, we'll be getting hold of some, because I would definitely be interested in those. All the ink's going in your mouth, crevice. It's not going on your lips.
Yeah, I'm curious how this is gonna go, because I can't imagine water-based markers, like, applying to plastic very well.
We could give her some, like, eyeshadow as well. Oh my god, this is not gonna work very well. Oh no, it's kind of going over it. It's very, very streaky, obviously, because the material... I don't know 100% what it is that's on the face and like the clothing, but because it's a very glossy, shiny material and these are water-based pens, you're just pushing the ink around. It's got nowhere to dry and to like seep in. I'm just trying to get it off. Oh yeah, rubs off absolutely perfectly though. So that's very, very good. From a reusable point of view, you can't complain at that. That is really, really good. But I want to try and do a good job on this. So I'm going to move these aside and try and get my hands on some acrylic. Oh my goodness. Steph's getting some right now. Oh my god, look at her. She's busting out the acrylic markers by our friends at Artex. Oh my god. Dark and opaque, just like Rain's soul.
Now, you might not want to get the acrylic markers in the hair, because I'm not sure how that would go about trying to get it out.
Ah, that's a very good point. I didn't think of that.
Unless you're prepared to have it in there forever.
Well, she is tormented and very upset. There we go. Well, we got the lips in.
And Adam's been showing interest in doll customization recently.
Yes!
He's actually got a few.
I've bought some in to like actual... I won't spoil it, but I've got some in that are a little bit more quality than these. But I want to have a go at doing it because a lot of our subscribers, a lot of you guys, are into doll customization channels like Doll Lightful, for example. Oh my god. And the tutorials that she's made as well have been like so helpful, and I really want to give it...
I didn't realise she did tutorials.
Because then I want to do a stream, obviously, on it, and then if I feel like I have a good like understanding of it, I would love to do an actual video on it as well.
So let us know if that's something you guys would be interested in.
Yeah, follow me on my doll customization journey. Do let us know. I want to give her slightly thicker brows because I do like the thick, like gothic style ones. Like I think they tend to draw them on.
I have no ideas what I'm gonna do with mine.
I think you should do something similar to what I've done, like pick a style and then try to go with that.
Go for like a goth look.
You could do goth look too, or you could do like pastel goth, because I've gone very sort of like, you know, black goth, but there's lots of different styles, isn't there? There isn't just like one kind. Oh, gorgeous!
You're giving a big soulless eyes.
There'll be shinies on them, don't worry.
Oh, I thought you were going for like the Funko Pop treatment.
Oh my god, she may be a Crayola girly, but I would never turn her into a Funko Pop. No one deserves that.
Just because she's a goth doesn't mean she has no like soul left in her eyes.
The Funkos are calling me. Ah! Okay, honey, we've just gothified this hoodie. Look how dark and evil it is.
Wow, it's gonna look so goth with her bright green shoes.
I'm gonna colour in her shoes too. I want to turn it into a band hoodie, but I don't know like what band to put on it.
You could invent a band that you'd like.
I'd like to colour in her
I don't
shoes.
think the feet come off.
Don't they? Oh, do I have to paint them on her?
Yep.
I suppose.
You can leave them green.
I suppose we could do like black leggings and black shoes. That might look pretty cool. Yeah.
At least then she'll look like she's wearing something.
Yeah, that's very true. Oh my god, Rainbow's, she's molting. All the stress of the breakup, her hair's starting to fall out.
Okay, so this is Bo.
This is Bo, yes.
Yes. Okay, we've got some law that we're working with here. So she doesn't have a boyfriend and she has to pay all her own rent. And it gets very expensive.
That's the same as like Rain.
But...
Okay.
Okay, she's an influencer. And she's just got her first sponsorship through.
Who's sponsoring her?
Bepsi.
Bepsi. Wow.
Now, we've heard of Pepsi, but that is a much bigger brand. This is an off-brand called Bepsi.
Is it like Pepsi but cheaper?
Yes. Let me try remember what Pepsi looks like from the top of my head. Blue. Not like a circle, so let's do like a square instead.
Oh, that feels wrong.
I think it had like half of it like coloured in.
There is white in there too. At the minute, it kind of looks like the Polish flag.
That's the inspiration for this look.
Okay.
Because they are sponsoring her, but they want her in a full body paint that represents the Bepsi brand.
Oh god. Are you really going to cover the whole thing?
That's the look we're going for.
She's gonna look like a member of the Blue Men group. Oh no!
We're gonna have to cover up this rainbow makeup because Bepsi are never gonna sponsor this if she's got that look going on.
Not drawing pride, hon.
No.
Oh my god, Bepsi, don't you have a heart?
No, they're a large evil corporation.
Oh, okay. They're smaller than Pepsi, but they are large and evil.
This might take a while to cover up.
Yeah, and it
so-
also might look super cursed too. Through the magic of editing, guys, you'll get to see whether this has turned out wonderful or if she just looks like a blueberry mutant.
Bepsi Girl update.
Oh god. Oh my god. Oh, the horrors. Oh my god.
Okay, so she's just drying, but we've still got the other half of her body to do. So.
It looks like she started to apply a face mask and then put it all over her body as well. Okay, update on Rain. She has got her makeup on. She has also got, look, leggings. She has got black leggings and black shoes. And I had an idea. I don't know how well the white is going to go over the black, but I wanted to give her those because the bottom part, I don't know if you can see because it's so dark now, but the bottom part of the shoes kind of look like Converse. And I wanted to give her the really high up Converse-like shoes.
That'd be a cute detail. You can put like the little white bits on
The white cap, yeah, the toe cap bits. Yeah, that's what I was hoping. Right. Let's see. Let's move your hair out the way. We might have to go over in a couple of coats because, you know, we're going literally white over the black ink that we've already put down. So it might not be perfect straight away, but it could look quite cute. Do you guys know the shoes I'm talking about as well? You know, the Converse ones, which are like, you know, the regular Converse-like shoes, but they, like the laces go like up the legs.
High tops,
Is that what they're called? The ones that literally go up to like your knees kind of thing? That's the ones I'm thinking of. I do enjoy this though. I really enjoyed it. Guys, if you haven't checked it out, please do. The one where we did a very similar video, but with Crayola horses, believe it or not. I had a really, really good time with that. And it's a similar vibe with these. It's fun to, I mean, obviously we're not using them 100% intended, but we didn't with the horses either. And we ended up having a really good time.
We did try at the start and it was not going to go well.
No. But it's fun, and that's the thing, innit? With anything with art these days, as long as you're having fun, you know? Alright, this might be a little bit risky, but I want to try it. I want to do a red streak through the hair.
Oh dear.
And there's a perfect spot. She has like a light colour here. I want to do like a red streak where the white is. Oh no, I think it's working.
You say where the white is, but that's actually kind of like turquoisey colour.
Oh, okay. Where the turquoise is? Like, it doesn't have to be, like, super duper, like, all of it. It's just, like, you know, like, when you're rebelling and you'd use Kool-Aid to, like, dye your hair or something like that?
Kool-Aid?
That's what, in America, that's what they do. Yeah. You can dye your hair with Kool-Aid, and that's what she's done. She got some of the red stuff and was like, I'm going to go dye my hair. In, like, the school bathroom. Even though she's 20. Acrylic markers are amazing. I used to be very scared of them, but these days I think they're all right. And can we just take a minute? Let me just put Rain aside. What? Looks like she's suffocated in every part of her body.
It's a work in progress.
It's oh my god! At least she's smiling through it. She's thinking of that $100.
She's thinking of that delicious Bepsi.
Okay, guys, reveal time. Here is Rain's big gothic glow up. What do you think? She's got like one of those really like hard to read metal jumpers on. You know when there's a metal band and it's all like crazy scratchy writing and you can't really make out what it is?
It looks like cracked leather.
Yeah. She's got like the giant Converse on.
I love the Converse.
Do you like
such a good job of those.
You like the little booties? She's got new makeup on and she wears red contacts now to let them know that there is an alpha within.
Ooh.
She also has dyed her fringe and some of her roots, which like slowly like I tried to do it to gradient in. It just looks like two red streaks, but it was her first time using Kool-Aid and you can't be mean. She's got piercings on either ear, and of course she's got piercings on her nose, and she's got snake bites too, and one in her eyebrow. But oh my god, right. Let me just, you know, just...
You might be thinking that your editing work is all over now because it's the end reveal of the video, but...
There's nothing here! Come here!
Okay. Here is Bepsi Girl.
Oh my god. Oh god, what's wrong with her eyes? Oh my god!
Bepsi.
Did she put Bepsi in her eyes?
Bepsi paid her to match the colour palette.
Was she smoking?
If you look at the back of her shirt,
Okay. Oh, it does say Bepsi.
it says Bepsi. Yeah, and we need to insert a Bepsi commercial with her in.
With her in?
I'm sure Adam's really good at editing.
Oh my god.
So if you can just make a Bepsi commercial right
Okay.
now.
Howdy, America. When I've just smoked a huge doobie, you know what quenches my thirst? Bepsi. Hydrate yourself today. If you want to see a video where we customize some ponies, we'll put that on screen for you right now. And don't forget to hype, like, and
Don't
subscribe.
forget to drink Bepsi.
So we can see you next time for another doodle date.
Bepsi.